like, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel.
Home remedies to straighten hair. Straight, shiny and smooth hair has always been in trend as it looks good on any face type. Also, straight hair can be worn free-flowing or styled in numerous ways. Ingredients you need: 2 tablespoons of honey. Take a cup of milk. Some strawberries. Milk and honey works as a natural hair straightener. Take a cup of milk and add 2 tablespoons of honey to it. Add some freshly mashed strawberries in this. Put it into your hair. Keep it for at least 2 hours. Wash it thoroughly with mild shampoo. If you repeat this home remedy twice a week, you will clearly notice the difference. Visit BillyHealth.com to know more about home remedies to straighten hair.